We have got a great little group here today, and we're doing a little weekend special because of the holiday. We're going to do these all at $12.99. So think you're going to find some wonderful pieces. Now, the webcast is Tuesday night. What we're doing on the webcast is simply small changes to existing patterns. A little bit of pattern making is what we're going to do. So in this case, all of these fabrics are relating to that, and I'll give you a little sneak peek as to what we're going to do. This first one is a woven, and it's cotton poly, and it's a coordinate to this one. One is a bigger dot than the other one, and so to put these together in an outfit is very cool. This one is 100% poly. This one's a cotton poly. So this one you'll probably want to use more of, and then this one is an accent piece. But anyway, this is a cotton poly and then a poly. Again, they're all $12.99. This black is really to die for. Somebody had requested me to put up a great pants black. This is a great pants black. It is a stretch woven. It is 100% viscose. The drape is incredible. This is what you want for a pair of pants. It would be beautiful. You could, because of it's a stretch woven, you could alter the size a little bit, and you could use it for a yoga pant. It's got good stretch, but it could also just be a great pair of slacks for whatever else you wanted to use it for. Beautiful piece of fabric. Again, $12.99. It's a giveaway. This is a 100% cotton. It is a beautiful reversible. You'd want to use both sides. What we're going to show is that cropped trenches are really, really popular for spring, and we're going to do a little cropped trench with this. This one right here is a navy, and it's got a little linear. It's a cotton poly. Again, great pant. It's a little lighter weight than the black, but it's a great summer or jacket. Either one would work well with that. And then it ties in with this stripe. Stripes are everywhere. We're going to do a little stripe play, but this has a navy background to it. The selvage, you can see that it's quite navy, and it's a navy and a gray in there. This is 100% cotton. This is a cotton poly. So we have a really beautiful selection of fabrics. Again, all $12.99 today and tomorrow. The goal, of course, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.